Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking.
Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. This is Dog Traveler. Let's do some cooking today. Preparing an adobo para lechon or la lechon rub. But I'm gonna be using it to cook some chicken that I'm gonna be making on my rotisserie today for my whole family. Let me show you how easy it is to make this rub. And it's delicious and it's gonna smell and give a color to your chicken or your pork, whatever you decide to cook.
Let's start by preparing the natto oil or aceite de achiote. If you don't know how to prepare it, check my other video on how to. Click the link on the top right on this video. To prepare this delicious rub, start by plucking all the oregano leaves from the stem. It's consuming, but it's worth it. The dry oregano doesn't have the kick the fresh has.
All the ingredients that we need to do this adobo lechon that we're gonna be using to roasting some chicken today. So you need some salt, some ground pepper, some fresh oregano leaves, some adobo, annatto oil, and your faithful immersion blender. Just be safe with it.
To mix all the ingredients for the rub, add some of the natto oil first, then some of the fresh oregano leaves, some of the grounded black pepper, some of the salt, and the adobo. Add more oregano leaves and more annatto or achiote oil. Then start mixing all together with that handy immersion blender. Just be careful. Repeat the process till you have all the ingredients mixed all together. You want to form a paste type of rub. Taste it to see if you need to add anything else. Now get those chickens and dry them real good, because we want to rub everything on those chicken and you need to make sure that they are very dry. To play it safe and avoid your white rat, cover the area where you're going to be rubbing the chicken or any other meat. Wear an old shirt or an apron. The annatto oil or achiote oil will stain anything and it's very difficult to get rid of it. It have an amazing color property. Trust me. Rub the chickens all over. Don't be shy. Place a good amount of the rub inside the chicken. You will lose a lot of the rubbing during the roasting process, but the inside rub will help spread all the flavor and marinate all the inside, including the deep meats parts like the breast and the hips. Now again, cover all the area where you're going to feed the chicken to the roasting pit. This is to avoid making a mess and avoiding your wife rat. If for any chance you stain something with the annatto or achiote oil, the best chance to get the stain out is with pure Dawn dish soap, the blue one, the original one. But good luck, the annatto coloring properties are impressive. Secure those chickens very good, as tight as possible. Don't forget the wings and the legs. I will do this later with some bamboo sticks. I don't like to use wire for chickens, only for roasting a whole pig. After rubbing them, I usually use the big trash bag that I use it to protect the kitchen counters to cover them from transportation to the rotisserie. That will help that they don't drip any of the rub or any other liquid into the floor. Yup, I'm covering my six there and keeping my wife very happy.
Getting the charcoal ready to roast the chickens. Almost there. Look at the chickens.
To have the charcoal in a medium heat. To avoid burning the chickens on the outside and not cooking well done on the inside. You see where the legs and wings are flopping there with every rotation? This is the time that I usually place some bamboo stick to secure them real good. Usually takes between 2 to 4 hours on this rotisserie. Grab a cold one, enjoy the view, the smell, and adjust the heat accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a commentary, and share to your friends.
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico.
While I was cooking and adjusting the charcoal heat, my family was having a blast in the pool.
Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
These chickens are done. Look at that core. I mean, and they smell so good.
Baila, baila y goza.
Don't forget about the gizzards, the heart, the liver, and the neck of the chicken. Just rub it with the same rub, so they taste delicious too. I'll get the cooking on a copper mat so they don't fall down and stick to the grill. And my wife put some asparagus to be there cooking too. The chickens are done. They look delicious. We got the chicken here. I'm gonna start cutting them right now.
Okay, let's see how this is turning out.
Oh, it's falling out of the bones. Look at that. It's falling out of the bones.
Yummy. Cortando la lechuga. Wow. I want a piece of the cuerito.
This is Dog Traveler. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.